Good Monday morning to everyone out there. I'm a little under the weather, getting over the COVID-19. Not even getting over it, really. Still going through it. Uh, but the good news is, got another small account challenge, and gonna be starting today. This challenge, gonna be starting on a little over $1,000, 1,030 something dollars to be exact. This is a do or die situation. If this doesn't pan out, I'm gonna have to go get trade my time for money, uh, do a 9 to 5 somewhere. So this will be the one that all the others have been leading up to. All right. So my objective out of this is to make a living. Okay. I've it. Excuse me. I'd really like to make tons of money, Lamborghini money, but just to pay the bills will work at this point. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen and show you what I'm looking at. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, I am Xavier, Warrior X, and this is my level of field playing channel, level of field channel. Excuse me, I'm not really feeling well, but the show must go on. All right, so we're looking at SVRE. It's a leading gapper. It's got 54%. 54% gap. SVR, 53.96 gap. And the other one I was looking at was ALLG, which I'm glad I didn't get into. I'm probably not going to get into either one of them until the opening, because I like to use my leverage. And this is an accumulation of all that I've learned. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars trying to figure this out. I don't know. I can't even tell you how many hours, days I've sat here trying to figure this out. But like I said, big money is the future goal. But right now, we're just trying to pay bills. Do me a favor, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and share the video with anyone interested in day trading. So I'm probably going to come back in about 30 minutes, and then we'll see what's going to what kick off then. All right, so stay tuned.
The open.
All right, we're about 90 seconds to the opening. And I'm looking at SVRE. It's the leading gapper at this time.
Flat at 65. Small loss.
69%.
All right, well, we've got about a minute to the bell. Sitting at $3,365 so far this morning. So a little more than halfway to the daily goal. And I've got a couple that I'm watching, GCT,
Okay,
AKLI,
so the goal is to
SVRE.
get green.
For those tuning in for the morning show on YouTube, reminder, today's
No
the
rush.
last day for the
No dual
opening
rush.
sale 30%
Pay
off coupon
attention.
code for Day Trade Dash. So those of you guys
30
that
seconds
aren't
for the
interested in
bell.
going through the Warrior Pro curriculum or the Warrior Starter curriculum, but do
SVRE.
want to still be able to see my ultra low latency broadcast and use the same tools that I'm using each day, you can sign up over at Day
The
Trade
thing I'm
Dash.
gonna
So
do
today's the
different
last
this
day of that
time,
30% off coupon. So
this
make
small
sure you
count,
use
is
it
I'm gonna
or
cut my losses
lose
quick.
it. And we will be back at it
5
first thing
cents,
tomorrow
10
morning.
cents
Today
max.
at
They're
11, we
gonna
have
be
a
cut.
premiere
I
of
can't take the hits no more.
episode 2 of my
I move
podcast,
3
which
steps
was
forward
posted last week on the
and
podcast, but
6
will go
steps
on YouTube
backwards.
today
That's
at
not
11.
gonna
So you
happen
guys can stay
anymore.
tuned for that. All right, that's the game plan here. And we're going to keep trading. Hopefully, we see some good opportunities. SVRE there, popping up to 75, leaving that alone. AKLI at 35, GCT at 54. So right now, just sitting tight at the open.
Projection for SVRE.
Dip at 55 on SVRE.
No rush.
Nice dip trade. Some profit coming back up to 67.
The highs was 493.
Stop at break even on the rest. GCT watching. Big spreads on GCT here coming into the open. Look at that whip on GCT.
Wow, BBTY.
Hit a high there of 59 and then drops all the way down to a low of 52. This, the opening range is just very volatile. Sorry. So let's see how things sort out. I would say GCT, you have to manage risk by trading with smaller size. Added on GCT there at 57.50 and looking for the squeeze through 58. New orders at 58.50. There you go. So only bought 200 shares on that, not 250, but a green trade nonetheless. Good job for those that stepped up with a couple thousand shares. High is 61, 62. Now watching for a dip. Bought the dip on GCT. Now let's look for the squeeze up through 62, 62 halt level. Holding right now 85 shares. Watching.
No rush.
Flat. Now looking for a dip.
Whoa. What the hell? Okay. That didn't look good.
GCT. Halt down is at 52. SVRE. So, we got a couple good trades on it with small size. Didn't have the courage to hit it with 2,000 shares or even 1,000, but it's okay. Halt down, 52. So it's got more strength to the downside than to the upside, right? And that's going to be fueled by the fact that you've got this topping tail candle. That topping tail is very bearish. It's not a strong candle. What's the float on ape? S&P below the 200 and selling. So you can see how we gap down below the 200 there. It's a very critical level, so to just gap down below it is not great. SVRE pulling back. TH, not sure. AKLI back at 31. SMMT, nice. GCT going to a side chart. Really just want to trade the front side breakouts. I don't really want to trade the back side that much. It's a big float. MAIA moving up a little bit. Kind of needs to break a little bit of a higher level. Ape will watch resumption and see whether or not there's an opportunity over 8, since I think a lot of traders are watching it. So watching for green on the tape on ape. Still halted. Looks like 10-minute long halt. Watching quick long there. Now looking for 63. Watch resumption for another gap higher. So that's the thing with these NASDAQ or NYSE stocks, is they can resume at higher prices. New order 850, moving the order up to 9. So bought the dip on the first halt. Now looking for a possible second halt, some parabolic action. That was just straight buying on that resumption. It resumed like 20 seconds late, or yeah, 15 seconds late. So I was a little slow. I had to punch the hotkey. That was the only way. I had my hand on the buy button, but then I looked away. So punched the hotkey.
Okay, so I'm in this
Order at 9. It's a
859
meme stock. But that could also mean it
APE.
gives you
It's in a halt right now.
a bit more action.
For some reason it's not showing. Maybe I don't have it. It says I'm in. Let's see, 859.
GCT on the backside right now. SVRE pulled back quite a bit, but if it can hold over VWAP. Ape, new orders at 9. Straight up, watching for resumption.
943. So when I say that
I want
come
to
out of the
see
halt,
if we go into a third halt.
why isn't that showing up on the halt scanner?
So resumption should be around 43. So in about 2.5 minutes.
Hey, let's see what we get when we come out here. What we're going to try to do is we're going to try to get out as soon as
So I want to look to add at 9 for a squeeze up to 950. If it opens high around 880 or 9, I'll probably be looking at 925. So I'll keep moving my order a little higher. Resumption time should be in about a minute and a half. AMC halted up.
Okay, we should be coming out of the halt. Let's see.
930, moving new order to 950. Watching resumption. New orders at 980. So watching to add on Ape for a move. Added there at 80. Holding 1,400
Damn,
shares.
I'm good.
Watching possible false halt. Green, there's some orders going through. So real halt, holding 1,400 shares. Watching for resumption and then a move back up towards the high, 983.
Damn. Okay, so 369 is not
High
bad.
is 980.
Do I get out at this point? I got, all right. You want to make 11, right? But do you get out? Wow. Wow. And it's just going up. Okay, maybe this is instead of, wow. Okay, so that one trade put me
So
back
watching
in
it
the
add
green.
off the pullback.
$369 minus the tickets. $300 up. It's 30% of my pot of my. All right, we're not gonna be greedy, Ross. I know you're about to make a ton
Since this
here.
has really only been open for
Uh,
like 3 minutes of trading, I think there's a lot of meme traders that'll probably be seeing, oh, this is now available to trade and coming in
okay,
for the
I
buy.
guess that's gonna do it for me today. I'm really interested to see what this is gonna do, though.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it's
mean,
going
you're
more
right.
like
It's had 30 seconds of trading.
80
You've got three
shit.
1 minute candles, but so showing a $10 resumption. I'm going to put my new orders at 970, put the limit at 10, 10, 10. Because, of course, some traders, depending on their platform, can still place orders while it's halted. And then that all factors into the imbalance. So if you have people that are throwing out orders to buy,
You know what?
whatever it is,
I'm gonna
100
let it
shares,
go.
1,000, all of
You're
those
not
are
feeling
start
well
getting
today.
factored into
Let's
the
call it a
resumption
day.
price.
Ross, go ahead and make a killing. That's it for me. I don't even want to see it resume. Let me get out of here. Let's go. I've already overstayed my welcome. Good luck, Ross, and everybody else out there trading. I'm gonna call it a day, and that's it. I'm up $369.53. Sure. All right. So,
Watching 30 seconds or so to resumption.
all right. So that's it. I'm up 300 and how much am I up? 300 and $369.53. $369.53 up, and looking at Ross, he's struggling. APE was a stock that and it's still going up and brought me out of that. I actually overtraded a little bit. I did 12 tickets instead of excuse me. I actually overstayed my welcome. First couple of trades was bad. BBBY. I lost about hundreds. And then this APE stock brought me back. So I'm up over $360. And that's gonna do it for the day. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place. Hopefully I'll be feeling a little better. Any questions or comments, just put it down in the questions or comment, put it in the comment section. And like the channel, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I am X Warrior X, and I will see you tomorrow.